Becky here at Amber Marie and Company at the Utica Square store. What? I know, I'm always at the 91st and Yale store, but I have a treat to me anyway that I get to come up here and play with all the girls here. I think you might have all heard that we had a little new water feature installed in the store down south. Okay, it was, we've had a flood. It's in the middle of being restored, new floors, and it's kind of upside down. Although, please note, we are open and we are ready to service you there as well as here. But I thought today it'd be kind of fun to come up here and play with the girls up here. So anyway, obviously it's Wednesday, and what do we do on Wednesdays? We make a bow. So look down here and see what kind of collections I chose today. And she just says Miami to me all summertime and beachy. And these are the two that I'm going to complement with her, this cute plaid and this little raspberry. I love her too. So let's see how she turns out. And maybe somebody out there will want her. Because you can get these bows online now. You realize that? Yeah, just go to our website, and Dasha and Jen have done a really good job of helping you get these bows that I make. So where are you all watching from today? And tell me if it's hot or cool in your world. So I'm going to start with my 2 loops on top. I think I'll go ahead and give her a 3rd loop. She's got that great seafoam green turquoise that is really indicative of kind of a Florida vibe. Right, let's give her a 2nd tail. She is good and sturdy. She is going to hold up really well in any kind of heat or humidity. I do suggest, though, giving her a little UV protective spray. You can buy that at any of those homeware stores, you know, like Home Depot. Okay, let's go in with our plaid now. Look at that. That's kind of fun because it's picking up the pinks and even the greens and the blues or turquoise. So she's going to be a fun contrast. Again, most people twist to bring that right side up and then bring it under. So to avoid all that bulk, I'm a fan of just leaving her there because she landed that way. So let's just bring her over, up over that way. And now I've eliminated a smidge of bulk in the middle there. Let's go back with a little raspberry to calm our eye. We'll put a little solid in there to pick up all of the ribbon colors itself. And look, see, she kind of landed there when I twisted it and put her down there. Well, I want her to kind of sit up here. So right here at this point, I'm literally going to pick up that center and kind of aim her off up in that direction. And see, when I tied that, she's just hanging there. And that's okay, because that's kind of where I want that next loop to be, right there. So let's add a 2nd tail. So that tail's going off in that direction. So to have one going off in this direction, we're going to lay that ribbon that way so she comes down, balances out the look. Okay, you know me. I like to go back and whatever I started with as my base, grab her again, gather her like that, pull her up. There we go. Let's get her tied off. What do you think of this color combination? What do you think? Is it good for summer? Do you think it says Miami Beach? Little Miami Beach vibe, little summer pool party. Then again, I put my zip tie there in the back of that before I cinch it down. Caught me crazy. I'm loving it. She's really good. If I do say so myself. Have you all been down to Miami and felt the vibe down there on Ocean Drive, South Beach? Call me crazy, even this ribbon here. Hope no grandmas are listening. This seems like something grandma would have had as a curtain. She works. What do you think? So, when's the next flight to Miami? Let's go.